Now we want to see the introduction to the poem Father Returning Home. We have seen the icebreakers. Let's see the writer Dilip Chitre. I would like to remind you of Tukaram's Abhanga. Do you remember just 4 lines of any Abhanga? Try to remember the well-known verses. जे का रंजले गांजले त्यासी म्हणे जो आपुले साधू तोची ओळखावा देव तेथेची जाणावा. Very beautiful lines written by Sant Tukaram. This work is available in Marathi, but non-Marathi people, how will they read this? So with this intention, Dilip Chitre translated Abhangas of Tukaram. He is famous for it. He has written so many other things also, other works also, which are very famous. But this translation started at the age of 16. And the literary works of Dilip Chitre, they have given him Sahitya Academy Award. This work on Tukaram's Abhangas translation. So, he is a prolific writer, and in general, the theme of his writing is exile, alienation, self-disintegration and death. Now, see, what is exile? Exile means you are aloof from the worldly life. आपण वनवास म्हणतो त्याला. Away from normal life. That is exile. Banishment, a kind of. Second, alienation means being aloof, loneliness. Self-disintegration. Disintegration म्हणजे ऱ्हास होणे, डॅमेज. So, disintegration of the self and death. But see, this is the theme of general means other works of Dilip Chitre. If you think of this poem, Father Returning Home, what is the theme? Let's see. This well-known writer who died, I think in 2005, he has left behind a very great work, and one of his famous works is Traveling in a Cage. From this, the poem has been taken, and the theme is, now see, I would like to tell you one more thing about Dilip Chitre, that he is associated with film also. You can say he is a filmmaker. At the same time, he is the magazine writer also. And he is a very good, means he was a very good painter. So we can say that his personality was versatile. From this, the poem has been taken, and the poem deals with, the theme is of a suburban commuter. Urban means of the city. Suburb means the part of a city. So, suburban means a person who lives in a part of a suburb part of a city. He is called suburban. Now, what is the meaning of commuter? To commute means to go and to come back. So, this going to and fro is called commute. So, commuter is the person who every day goes to the place of work and comes back. So, this poem deals with a suburban commuter. it also describes the routine of that suburban commuter. Now, how is this routine? This routine is very dull. It is monotonous. We can say it is very tiring or exhausting. And because of the dull, monotonous means, mono means one. Monotonous means of one type. Dull, monotonous, exhausting means tiring. Because of such a routine, we feel pity for the commuter. And so we can say the theme also includes the feeling of pity. So this routine is of this type. The poem describes the routine of the suburban commuter, and it also describes the forced alienation of the suburban commuter. Forced alienation means the treatment he gets after he comes back home, and this is because of his children, due to his children. This is very sad. So in the icebreakers we have discussed it. So let us see the poem. The poem has been divided into two stanzas. The first part deals with the suburban commuters' everyday routine of coming back from the office. And the second stanza depicts his life at home. So we shall try to cover the first stanza now, which deals with the daily life of the